Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create AI video for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this tutorial, I would like to recommend you to visit this website, pika.art. And after you have visited this website, you will be able to use AI in this website to create video. Here you can go to this menu to describe your story or describe the AI video you want to create. And for example, I'm going to ask the AI to create butterfly wearing in a magical forest video. Okay, and then click on this icon to generate a video. Okay, hold on guys, it's loading. Okay guys, and now the video has been created and this is the final result, and I'm going to download the video. Okay, now the video is being downloaded, and then I'm going to open up my file explorer to show you. Wait, I'm going to go to the download menu. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create AI video for free. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching.